Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use overlay effect on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna use overlay effect, so you just click on the effect at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the video effect, and then in here you can use the effect that you want to add. In here I want to use this summer bubbles effect, so you just click on it, and after this in here you can click on the check icon, this one, and after this in here if you wanna this overlay effect, so you just click on the effect again, and after this in here you can add the other effect. Maybe you wanna add this one, square frames, and then now you just click on the check icon, this one, and finish. So that's how to overlay your effect at a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.